You've started drifting, you're getting pretty good, but your mates are ribbing you about your body posts. So we've got a new body and we're going to fit some magnet mounts for that stealth look. Let's go. So your body posts have done the job. They've kept your shell on your chassis and you've got lots of drifting done. But you've got a new body and you don't want to drill those holes and have those ugly mounts sticking out the body, ruining the scale look. What do? We switch to some magnet stealth mounts. Now what we're going to need is the magnet stealth mounts of our choice, an X-Acto knife, some masking tape, some double-sided foam tape, some aluminium tape, a pen and some scissors. So let's get these things mounted. Now every car has a slightly different configuration and height settings and where you'll mount these, so I'm not going to go into detail about the size and how I've built these. We're just going to get them onto the chassis and go from there. And there we have our magnet mounts all fitted to the chassis. Chosen an appropriate hole on the rear suspension mount and the right height on the front bumper, with the magnets with the recesses for the countersunk screws to go on the top. Now the distance between here and here are going to vary depending on your shell, as well as the height from here to here. There's also spacers that came in the packet to help you space everything out right as you need. For me, that's what we need for this one. So we can go ahead and put the shell on. First step is we place our magnets on top of the shell so they magnetize to our mounts, and then we make sure that we measure all of our distances from here, from here, from here, anywhere necessary, to make sure everything is nice and even front to back and we are nicely spaced in the wheel arches. Once we're happy with the spacing, we can put our masking tape over the magnets to hold them in place and then remove the shell. So now with our magnets taped on the outside where we need them and our magnets from our posts magnetized to the underside of the shell, we can mark where we need to stick our magnets and take everything off. With our magnets removed, we can see we've just drawn around there with our permanent marker, and then we can double-sided tape our magnets and stick them exactly where they need to be. So now with our magnets, all with some double-sided foam tape, all stuck on the correct side, we can just peel these off and stick them on the shell. As an added measure, I like to use this aluminium cloth tape just to secure the magnets, and then you're ready to go. And to sum everything up, I just want to say a massive thank you to Dale Clements from Asbo RC for supplying these magnets for us. And if you need them, you can drop down below into the description and find